Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I am going to share this goodie bag. So I would like to share my recent win in DMC Crown Contest. I just can't put it in words. The feeling was amazing. So winning the title was great part, but another was the fabulous goodies which are here. I am so excited to share it with you all. Look at this huge parcel. Okay, I will start with this letter of acknowledgement, but I'm going to treat it as an award certificate. It says DMC Goldcrownwinner. Wow. So this is going up on my achievement wall, definitely. So next I got in my winner bag is this large bunch, and it's a scalloped bunch. Thankfully the scallop design is different here to what I already have, and it's not too heavy, and you can see the scallop design. Three anti-slippery pads. While punching, the punch should not move. I think it's an amazing element on this, and it also has a slot where the leftovers can be taken out. So let me give a try and see how fine it cuts the paper and how nice the design comes. Just look at the fine cut, so clean. So let me dig in and see what's next. And now this is a corner punch, and I am so happy that I received, because there have been times when I needed to give a round and clean look to the corners of a layout or cards, but I couldn't. So now that I have this, I am going to use it on my projects. So let me open this as well. Oh god, this is such a tiny cute little punch. Oh, okay, so let me just give it a try and see how conveniently I can do punch a corner with this. Just look at this, how neatly it's done. I am so happy that now I can do this corners on my projects, because there are so many times I have always thought to I generally cut it with scissor, and it's sometimes not even. So anyways, I am really happy that I got this. Next in queue is this mini trimmer. This is adorable, because now you can carry it along if you're traveling, and so handy and light that it can easily fit into your handbag. It's like crafting on the go. So let me just open it and check. Okay, so even this has anti-slippery pads. That's cool. Okay. Wow, it's really fine, very nice. So I forgot to tell the size of this trim is 2.5 inches by 6 inches, and it's must. I mean, if you're traveling and you love crafting, this is must. And the cut is really crisp. Okay, so let's see what comes out next from the treasure box. Oh, these are my favorite. These are shakers, and trust me, they are super adorable. When they launched this product, I was dying to buy them, but I'm so happy that Okay, so let me show you. So the first one is ice cream candies. The second one is dessert mix. Can you spot this mini cupcake? Oh, it's so cute. And the last one is carnival candies. Oh, I love this product. You know, I just can't wait to use them in shaker cards or maybe shaker crafts, whatever crafts I'm going to make with this, you know, small tiny elements. I'm going to use these shakers. So let me put everything back into the jars. So next in line is the sequins, and you know, I really love this pista green color sequins mix. Let me just put it on this white sheet so you can, you know, see more clearly. And you know, I already have small collection of other sequins, and this one is going right in Almira next to them. So can you spot some different shapes like squares, sequins, round, stars? I really hope you do. But you know, it's really beautiful sequins mix. And nowadays we are using this sequins in shaker crafts, and you can use them as background also. Where you have to put glitter, you can use the sequins to make your, you know, the background stand out. And I'm really waiting for some cool DIY projects so I can show you how to use them in your projects. So next is this really cool personal customized box, which is really dear to my heart. And okay, let me show you what we have got inside this. So they have given us this beautiful cute little you know, unicorn pen, and this is the crown, gold crown. Well, I think so it's not so clear in the camera, but it is a gold crown. I think I should take a picture and share it at the end of the video wearing it. So next is this. It's actually, can you guess what it is? See, I mean, you can see a picture, my picture on it. Oh God, I can't believe this is amazing. So this is a mirror. How cute. I mean, this will always remind me forever that, you know, I won this contest as a gold crown winner, and it will always stay next to me because I'm going to carry this in my handbag all the time. And they have also given us this cute little doll pin, and this is actually Dressmycraft logo. So I think that's it for this box. But I really thank Shalini Mittal, Dressmycraft, Crafters Corner for, you know, conducting the contest, and I'll be forever thankful to them, because it's forever memory keepsake. I mean, what they have given me. Thank you so much, Shalini. Okay, so let me continue, and I'm getting a little emotional. But okay, so let's jump to the next thing. I have an idea what it is, but let me keep a surprise for you. So, oh my God, these are my favorites. Beauty packs and Transformy Sheets. Wow. Oh God. So Dressmycraft recently launched these Transformy Sheets. So let me just focus on these stunning sheets. I could never develop interest in decoupage, be it paper, napkins or rice paper. I just could never pick up interest, but it looks like that I might now with these Transformy Sheets. So this is vintage style design, and they have shown the steps how to do it. And this one is Soulmates. Aren't these gorgeous prints? I am definitely waiting to use these. And next we have my absolutely beautiful treat of the goodies bag are these paper packs. Oh my god. So this one is Little Miracle, which is 12 by 12 paper pack, and let me just open it quickly and show you the packing papers inside. And the second one is Dots and Stripes, and let me run you through this as well. So it's basically stripes and dots with, you know, a beautiful background, and all the designs are up here. And this one is Chirping Birds. Again, it's a beautiful paper pack, and it's also 12 by 12. It has 24 papers of 12 designs, and you can see all the designs here. So let me share some of my favorite pattern paper in here. So this is one of the pattern which I really loved it. I mean, it has got beautiful birdie, and then leaves and subtle background, and then I liked this one. It has a lace. I mean, this lace can be used in different projects as borders, or, you know, to give a nice background. This is again one of my favorite pattern here. It has a wooden effect, and you know, this can be used for mixed media. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I just love the background effect. I'm not able to show you properly, but it has a linen effect, and with this lace and floral, I mean, you can do so much and add so much to your projects. This is really, really beautiful pattern. I would say all the pattern papers are beautiful, a really good mix of well thought of designs and patterns in this paper pack, and I'm sure whatever projects you will make, it will look good. So I guess that's it, my favorites from this paper pack. So let me keep everything back to its place and give you one final look to all the supplies I won in the contest. So this is one paper pack, this is the second paper pack, which is Dots and Stripes. Then this is trimmer, mini trimmer. This is another paper pack, Little Miracles. Then these are two Transformy Sheets, the large punch, scalp punch with 3 shaker jars, 1 mini punch, corner punch, sequins, and this Forever Memory Keepsake. And this is the acknowledgement letter. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and so if you wish, you can order their products from their website, which is dressmycraft.com. So if you like this video, please let me know in your comments so that I get encouraged to make some more videos like these. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope to see you again.